Multiplication and division. You can use arrays to help you write multiplication and division sentences. In the picture we have here, we can see that this array is here for us. What I did was I counted the number of rows which go across or horizontal. So I made arrows pointing to remind me that I had 3 that go across, and I circled the number 3. Here I have columns that go up and down or vertical, and I have 6 of them, and I've made arrows up and down to remind me of that. I have 6 of them. So right now I have 3 rows and 6 columns. I know that I could take the number of rows times the number of columns and get a total here. So that would give me this. In addition, I can figure out the answer by counting all of the circles in the array, or all of the objects in the array. So I was able to count by 3 and by 6 to check my work. So here I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 when I count by 3, or 6, 12, 18 when I count by 6. Of course, you could count them one at a time, but we are learning more and more how to skip count in 3rd grade. So here we have 2 blank sentences, and it seems as if I don't know what to put there, and I just have a picture. If I take the time to count out how many rows and columns, that helps give me the numbers I need to make up this multiplication sentence. So right here, I know I have 3 rows, so I could fill in the information of 3 rows times 6 columns, and that gives me a total of 18 objects. Now, if I wanted to use division to write a sentence from this, I know that I can take the total and divide that by one of the smaller numbers, because I know that division is the opposite of multiplication, and also that division is part of a fact family with multiplication. So I could write 2 more multiplication, or 1 more multiplication sentence and 1 more division sentence if I needed to. So today I'm going to start out with my total. I have 18 total objects in this array. I know that I can take one of these, either divide by the row or the column. So right now I'm going to divide by the rows. There are 3 rows. So I can take 18 total objects, divided into 3 equal rows, will give me 6 equal columns. You could do that the other way. You could say 18 total objects divided into 6 equal columns gives me 3 equal rows. And that is using arrays and division to make division number sentences.